हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्मान्य सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ताच चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 8 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 17 man-made materials textbook questions and answers. So let's start. Question number 1 is try to find it. A आहे plastic shows dash dash property, hence it can be molded to any shape. Answer: plastic shows plasticity property, hence it can be molded to any shape. Then B, motor cars are coated with dash dash. Motor cars are coated with Teflon. C, thermocol melts at dash dash degree Celsius. Thermocol melts at more than 100 degrees Celsius. It is about 240 degrees Celsius. D, dash dash glass dissolves in a water. Answer: alkali silicate or water glass dissolves in water. Question number 2 is who is my partner? Answer: lead glass. Answer आहे इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब. बॅकेलाइट. आन्सर आहे इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच. थर्मोकोल. आन्सर आहे प्लेट्स. ऑप्टिक ग्लास. आन्सर आहे लेन्स. पॉलीप्रोपिलिन. आन्सर आहे मॅट्रेसेस. ओके, देन जाऊया पुढे आपण. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आहे आन्सर दी फॉलोविंग. त्यामध्ये ए आहे थर्मोकोल इज प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम विच मटेरियल? आन्सर इज थर्मोकोल इज मेड फ्रॉम पॉलीस्टायरीन विच इज ऑल्सो ए कॉम्प्लेक्स थर्मोप्लास्टिक सबस्टन्स. देन बी, राइट यूजेस ऑफ PVC. So answer is PVC or polyvinyl chloride is used for making bottles, raincoat, pipes, handbags, shoes, electric cable, insulations, furnitures, ropes, toys, etc. Next is C, write the natural or man-made raw materials of the following items. So there is a mattress, beaker, bangle, chair, gunny bag, then broom, knife and pen. So let's see. Items are, first is mattress. So natural raw material cotton, coir means jute fiber, and man-made raw material is polypropylene. Then beaker, beaker साठी no natural raw material. Then man-made raw material is glass silicate or borosilicate glass. Then bangle, bangle साठी gold, silver, lac, copper, and then man-made raw material is plastic glass. Then chair, chair साठी wood and plastic. Then gunny bag साठी jute, cotton and plastic means PVC. Then broom साठी plant fibers and plastic fibers, that is PVC. Knife, metals such as iron and plastic. And pen साठी metals and plastic. ओके, सो अशा प्रकारे आपण बघितलं. त्यानंतर डी आहे which are the main ingredients of glass. So the main ingredients of glass are sand and silica. Then E, how the plastic is produced. So let's see. Plastic are derived from natural materials such as natural gas, oil, coal, mineral and plants. The first synthetic plastic were derived from cellulose, a substance found in plants and trees. This cellulose was heated with chemical and resulted in plastic like material. In modern times, the different raw materials are used for making plastics, but most plastics are made from the hydrocarbons present in the natural gas, oil and coal. Then next, plastics are simply chains of molecules linked together. These chains are called as polymers. Thus many plastics begins with poly, such as polyethylene, polystyrene and polypropylene. These polymers are made of carbon and hydrogen and sometimes oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, fluorine, phosphorus or silicon. Plastic is produced in factories by suitable chemical reactions. Then question number 4 is distinguish between. A आहे man-made material and natural material. So let's see the difference between man-made material. The man-made materials are obtained from processes in scientific laboratory. Natural materials are obtained from nature. Man-made materials are subjected to rigorous processing to alter the material for serving the intended purpose. Natural materials are subjected to less treatment and processing. Man-made materials are typically much more durable, having a very long lifespan. Natural materials have shorter lifespan because these materials were once silver and so gradually perish over time. Maintaining man-made material require less care and attention. Maintaining natural materials requires a lot of care and continuous attention. Man-made materials can have a negative environmental impact because they are not sustainable. Example: glass, plastic, thermocol, soil, metals, and rubber. Natural materials do not have a negative environmental impact because can be degraded by easily. Example: cotton, silk, wood. Then B is a thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So let's see. The plastic that can be molded as per our wish is called as thermoplastic, and the plastic in which a specific shape is given with the help of mold and this shape cannot be changed again on heating is called as thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic substances can be recycled and reused. Example: PVC, polyvinyl chloride, PS, polystyrene, PE, polyethylene, and PP, polypropylene are types of thermoplastic. Thermosetting plastic cannot be used again. Thermosetting plastic cannot be reused again. Example: bakelite, melamine, polyurethane, and polyester are the types of thermosetting plastic. Fifth is answer the following in your own words. A आहे explain the effect of following materials on environment and human health. So let's see plastic, glass, thermocol. So let's see the first is plastic. Okay, plastic is non-degradable substance. Hence, if thrown in any ecosystem, it remains unchanged for many years. It is one of the worst environmental pollutants as its disposal is a major problem. If thrown in water bodies, it affects the aquatic animals. Many or turtles mistake it for algae and eat the plastic. Eventually, such animals die due to choking. In terrestrial environment, the grazing animals like cattle are affected due to plastic. If burnt, it emits very toxic gases. In landfill sites, it remains unchanged for thousands of years. Then let's see the next is glass. The glass production is carried out at high temperatures of about 1500 degrees Celsius. This burning emits many hazardous gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide. These gases causes the greenhouse effect. Moreover, glass being non-degradable cause pollution. If broken glass pieces or any waste glass material is disposed into aquatic environment, it affects animals and plants. Similarly, glass pieces block the drainages. The waste glass thrown anywhere causes injury to terrestrial fauna. Then thermocol. Third is thermocol. Thermocol contains a carcinogenic ingredients in the form of styrene. If there is a prolonged contact with thermocol, there is a possibility of blood cancers like leukemia and lymphoma. Thermocol is non-degradable. It cannot be degraded into the harmless substances easily. If it is burned for destruction, it releases toxic gases in atmosphere. The plants and cups used for food, water, tea, etc. are made up of a thermocol. This may affect the health. Reheating the food kept in thermocol releases styrene. This styrene may dissolve in the food, causing health problems like cancers. B. Which measures will you arrange to minimize the environmental problems arising due to the non-degradable plastic? So the use of plastic should be minimum. Reducing the consumption, reusing the same plastic again and again, recycling the used plastic and making some new products from the used plastic are some of the measures that can be adopted. There are attempts to use plastic in making roads. Therefore, plastic is bought with a good price at some places. Therefore, instead of disposing of it anywhere, it should be collected and sold in best possible way. The better alternatives for plastic should be adopted. The awareness programs about misuse of plastic should be arranged so that the common man can understand the dangers of using plastic. Then question number 6 is write short notes. So let's see. A आहे glass production. The general preparation of a glass is as follows. Mixture of sand, soda, lime and small quantity of magnesium oxide is heated in furnace. At 1700 degrees Celsius, sand or silicon dioxide melts. To make the mixture melt at lesser temperature, pieces of discarded glasses are added to it. This addition makes the mixture to melt at lesser temperature of 850 degrees Celsius. When all the ingredients of mixture are liquefied, then again it is heated up to 1500 degrees Celsius. This heating is immediately followed by cooling. The sudden cooling causes the mixture to become a homogeneous, amorphous and transparent instead of crystalline. For a variety of glass types, different proportions of ingredients are used for heating. Then next is optic glass. Let's see. Optic glass or optical glass needs to be very clear and transparent as it is used in spectacles, lenses and other devices like microscopes. Optic glasses are produced from the mixture of sand, soda, limestone, barium oxide and boron. Next is uses of plastic. So plastic, the man-made material, is used in various forms in modern age. According to the type of plastic, its uses are different. So there is thermoplastic. Thermoplastic materials are used for manufacture of following articles. First is polyvinyl chloride or PVC is used to make bottles, raincoat, pipes, handbags, shoes, electric cable, insulations, furniture, ropes, toys, etc. Polystyrene is used in making thermo-insulating parts of electric appliances like refrigerators, gear of machines, toys, protective covering like covers of CD and DVD, etc. Polyethylene PE plastics are used for making milk bags, packing bags, flexible garden pipes, etc. Polypropylene PP is used in making parts of loudspeakers and vehicles, ropes, mattresses, laboratory appliances, etc. Then second is thermosetting plastic is used in manufacturing of following items. So let's see. First is bakelite for making cabinets of radio, TV, telephones, electric switches, toys, plastic handles of cookers, etc. Melamine for making domestically useful items like cups, saucers, plates, tray, some parts of aeroplane, then aeroplane engines, electric and sound insulating covering, etc. Polyurethane is making surfing boards, small boards, furniture, seats in vehicles, etc. Polyester is fiberglass, turners of laser printers, textile industry, etc. So like this way आपला हा जो चॅप्टर आहे, चॅप्टर नंबर 17 man-made materials. सो याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर संपलेले आहे. So thank you so much students. Keep watching Maharashtra Media.